Today I'm going to show how to update your Windows OS to the latest Windows 11. To start, navigate to this URL above. I will also include the link in the description. This is the website page of Microsoft where we can see the step-by-step guide on how we can update our Windows OS to the latest version, which is Windows 11. There are 3 options that we can choose below. Either of these options will work. But before you update and install the new version, be sure to check your PC if it meets the minimum requirement for the installation and update. I will choose the first option. You can read through these instructions if you want. If everything is clear to you, click the download button below to start downloading. After downloading, a list of instructions and terms will appear and it will ask you if you want to decline or accept the installation. You can read through this information if you want. Click Accept and Install if you agree on the terms of use. The process is now starting. Wait for a while until all 3 steps are done. Now that it's done, we need to restart our computer. You can wait for the countdown to finish. In my case, I will restart mine now. After restarting, this is how your PC or computer should look. Notice that the look and feel have changed. And it becomes a bit more cleaner. And the desktop icons below have gathered at the bottom center, instead of the left corner. To make sure that we have really installed Windows 11, we can go to Settings and check our OS version if it really changed. And it did change. And that's how you update your OS to the current version, which is Windows 11. Thank you for watching. And subscribe for more videos.